Udokotela Nzimande unxuse abaphathi be-Unisa ukuba basebenzise lo mlando inyuvesi enawo ukulungisa izinto ngaphakathi. Umbungazo wanamhlanje ubugutshezelwe yifu lombiko wophenyo oluthole ubufakazi ngongaphathi ngendlela kanye nokusashazwa kwemali kulesi sikhungo. Lo mbiko ukhiphe izincomo zokuthi i-Unisa ibekwe ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli.
Unisa itself faces the challenge of renewing itself at its 150 years of its existence. I must address this because I want also to say to the media, please, for today and tomorrow, just cover Unisa for its 150 years.
Kusenjalo, noshansela we-Unisa uThabo Mbeki uhambe emazweni kaNzimande athi le nyuvesi kumele ibuyelwe yilesiya sithunzi eyayinaso kuqala. Umbeki ubonge umnyango kaNzimande ngokweseka inyuvesi.
Dr. Nzimande said very much the same thing, including this very important point that, of course, the university must make sure that it addresses whatever shortcomings.
Iphini likashansela we-Unisa uPuleng Lenkabula uthi nakuba kunembiko ngeinsolo zongaphathi ngendlela, kepha-ke inyuvesi yenze kahle kakhulu ngaphansi kobuholi bakhe.
It is not true that the university has actually collapsed under my leadership. I came to Unisa when Unisa was number 13 in the rankings, whether Times Higher rankings or any other rankings. We're now number 7 or 8 in the rankings.
Umcimbi wokubungaza iminyaka engu-150 kwasungulwa i-Unisa ubuhanjelwe nayiphini likamongameli Paul Mashatile.